Hi everyone. Now we are going to look at the sixth question of graded assignment week 11 for IIT-Madras data science. From the question itself, we can come to the conclusion that they have given a suitable function, and from the answer options, if you are seeing options 1 and 2, they have given a Hessian matrix at point 1 comma 1. So either option 1 or 2 will be the right answer. And similarly, if you see options 3 and 4, so f will be the point of maximum or f will be having the saddle point. Okay. So either option 3 or 4 will be the correct answer. Therefore, two options will be the correct answer. So let us check. So before solving this question, so note down these formulas. So these are the formulas for the Hessian matrix at 3 dimension. Since they have given only the two coordinates x and y, we can stop with that. That we will be seeing in the further step. And if you are looking at the point of maximum or minimum, so these are the formulas. So just take a note of it. So these are the formulas, kindly take a note. So one for the saddle point, if it is, that is the derivative of x comma y is less than 0, and if it is equal to 0 means it is inconclusive. If d of x comma y is greater than 0 and dou square f by dou x square x comma y greater than 0, then it has local minimum at x comma y. If the same thing is less than 0, it has local maximum at x comma y. Okay, that is all. So further going on to the next step while solving for the question. The formula what I told is that, so they have given a suitable function and this is the Hessian matrix for the two dimensions x comma y. Okay, so according to the each element, now what we are going to do is, before finding f of xx, that is a second derivative, let us solve for the first derivative. So while solving for the first derivative, since we are differentiating with respect to x, so only e power x into its difference, that is it's a differential, that is its derivative, it is 1. So minus of e power x plus y, the same thing it will come. So x plus y, the x will become 1 and y will become 0. So therefore I have written as 1. Okay. And if you are differentiating for the second time f xx, the same thing will be getting. And if you are differentiating x with respect to y, you'll be getting it as minus e power x plus y into 1. Since we are differentiating x with respect to y, here x plus y is there. Okay, so the x term will become 0 and y will become 1. So therefore 1 is written here. Well, moving on to the next step. For fy, we will be getting e power y into 1 minus e power x plus y into 0 plus 1. And while differentiating y for the second time, fyy will be getting e power y minus e power x plus y. Okay, so f of yx will be getting it as minus e power x plus y. Okay, so now substituting in these formulas, we'll be getting it like this. And while substituting the coordinate points as given in the answer options 1 comma 1, if you are substituting, so the place of x and y, so here x plus y, everywhere you substitute just 1 and you'll be getting the answers e minus e square, here minus e square, here minus e square, then e minus e square. Now let us check the answer options. Now if you are solving for the Hessian matrix at 1 comma 1, so either option 1 or 2 should be correct initially. So if you are seeing that, we'll be getting the option 2 as the correct answer. Now solving for options 3 and 4. So this is the formula for the derivative. So dx comma y dou square f by dou x square it is nothing but fxx, and next is dou square of f by dou y square, it is fyy, minus fx comma y, that is only dou square f by dou x dou y the whole square. Okay, so while substituting in this formulas, these values already we found that. Okay, now substituting in the formula, we'll be getting the answer as this, and while substituting the coordinate point 0 comma 0, so every x and x plus y, it will become 0. And we know e power 0 is 1, so therefore 1 minus 1, here also 1 minus 1 will come, and here you should be very careful, e power 0 plus 0 is 0, I mean the power is 0. Okay, so therefore e power 0 is e power 0 is 1. Here since minus is inside, it is minus 1 the whole square. So therefore 0 0 minus, since minus 1 the whole square is plus 1, so minus will be outside, let us write as it is, and minus 1 the whole square if you are doing, we'll be getting it as 1, so therefore equal to minus 1. Okay, so therefore if you are seeing, so according to the formula, d of x comma y is less than 0, then it has a saddle point. So therefore looking at the options 3 and 4, so we'll be getting option 4 as the correct answer. Okay, so therefore option 2 and 4 are correct answers. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly click the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.